Um, so, yung fourth natin na common mistake is that studying will be enough to be profitable. Okay? This is a very common mistake, and I think that this is a common mistake kasi ganito yung education system natin eh. 'Di ba? For example, when we were trained when we were young, 'di ba? Kunwari, mag-aral ka, 'di ba? You will be successful. Mag-aral ka, you will be successful. Mag-aral ka, you will be successful. Which is, it's true, no? Partly true. Pero after mo aralin yung, kunwari, di ba? Let's put an analogy first. Nag-aral ka ng course mo nung college, no? Let's say you took a business degree. Okay? So, you learned a lot of theory and everything. Paglabas mo ba nung college, magaling ka na ba na negosyante? Normally, paglabas mo dun, saka mo lang ma-realize na, oh no, I don't know. I don't know, dude. So, ma-realize mo na, hindi pala madali, no? There's a lot of things for you to learn, no? For you to understand and get better at, no? And that's the same thing with trading. Studying will not be enough to be profitable. So, you can study systems out there, and that's great, no? Okay yun, we suggest that. Try to learn as much as you can. Try to absorb things para mas ma-integrate mo sila doon sa sarili mong trading. Okay yun. But that in itself is not enough. Kasi po, trading is a skill, no? And ito pa ulit-ulit namin sinasabi ito. Trading is a skill, no? Sabi nga ni Sir Alex M, parang yung basketball, no? Pag nagbasa ka ng libro tungkol sa basketball, automatically magaling nga na ba kagad maglaro? Hindi, most likely tirang bas mo. Balibag tayo pa yung tirang mo sa simula, di ba? But you know how to do it, no? You know where to place your hands, no? Doon sa bola, alam mo kung saan dapat manggagaling yung strength. Pero when you shoot the ball, hindi pa siya gano'ng kadali, no? Hindi pa siya automatic sa'yo. It will take a lot of practice for you to actually be able to shoot the ball properly. And that's the same thing with trading, no? Importante na matutunan natin paano yun gawin ng maayos, no? And same thing with basketball. Inaaral mo naman, no? Paano tumiray, di ba? Pero kaya pa-practice mo siya. Ganon din sa trading. Aralin natin kung paano siya gawin ng tama, pero kailangan natin siya i-practice, no? So, yun yung very, very important. And, as a new trader before, ang dami kong in-enrollan ng mga courses, no? Expensive ones and cheap ones, no? Free ones. At yung talagang parang hinahabol mo yung tao para lang turuan ka niya, no? So, I did a lot of those before. And may mga times na kanwari nagbayad ako ng mahal, tas after no, nag-trade ako, tas hindi ako kumita, tas inis na inis ako. Sabi ko, kalokohan tong tinuturo nitong tao na to, rip off to, ganyan, so on and so forth. But I didn't realize that it was actually a skill. I had to practice it, I had to learn it, and make it my own. Okay? Later on, I realized, okay, may sense naman pala yung tinuturo niya, no? Okay, educates ko na talaga, right? But I only understood that after a long time, you know? So, yun, studying will not be enough to be profitable. Trading is a skill. You have to practice it to get better, no? So, kahit matuto kayo sa ibang tao, kasama yun, importante yun, but it doesn't stop there, no? You have to practice. And another point together with that is meron po tayong individuality as traders, no? Tao tayo eh, no? We're not exactly the same, no? We're unique, no? Like everybody else, no? You're unique like everybody else. So, meron tayong individuality na meron kayong mga certain aspects sa trading na komportable kayo at yung ibang tao hindi. So, try to look for that, no? For example, I think that some of you have heard of this story. Ako po, dati pinipilit ko mag-scalping, pinipilit ko mag-intraday when I was starting out, no? And I had terrible results. And then later on, I realized na kapag nagtitrade ako ng long term, okay ako, kalmado, relaxed, very focused, no? Pag umaakyat yan, bumababa, wala akong pake, hindi ako natitense. Tapos, magaling ako maghanap ng supports and resistances sa higher time frames. So, na na-realize ko, sabi ko, sige nga, yun nga ang ko, yun na nga yung i-work on ko. Medyo hindi na muna ako sa intraday, saka na lang, no? So, that's actually when I started to become profitable, okay? So, meron kayong individuality. Alright? So, try to look for that. At the start, hindi nyo malalaman yan eh. Pero eventually, as you try different things, as you learn more things, mahahanap nyo kung saan kayo komportable and try to work on that because that would be your best asset.